Imagine turning a 10-minute voice memo into a fully SEO-optimized blog post in under an hour. No typing, no manual research, just your ideas transformed into publishable content. This workflow researches 50 side hustle ideas while you sleep. Here's the exact setup. You'll go from raw audio to a high-ranking article automatically.
Before AI, this process meant hours of manual transcription, followed by extensive research, drafting, and then painstaking SEO optimization. You'd spend half a day, sometimes more, just to get one article ready. Now, we're talking minutes. This isn't just a time saver. It's a complete shift in how you create content, letting you focus on ideas, not grunt work.
We are going to break down how to use 3 powerful AI tools to achieve this. First, we'll capture your spoken ideas. Then, we'll turn that audio into text. Next, we'll expand and refine that text into a comprehensive article. Finally, we'll optimize it for search engines, ensuring your content gets seen.
Let's start with the first step, capturing your ideas. The goal here is to get your thoughts out as naturally as possible. Think of it as a brainstorming session you're recording. Don't worry about perfection, just speak your mind.
Step 1. Record your voice memo. You can use your phone's built-in voice recorder, a dedicated app, or even a simple dictation tool. The key is clear audio. Speak clearly and articulate your main points, subpoints, and any specific details you want included in the blog post.
Once you have your audio, the next crucial step is transcription. This is where AI truly shines, taking what used to be a tedious, error-prone task and making it instant and accurate. For this, we'll use Whisper AI.
Whisper AI is an open-source speech-to-text model developed by OpenAI, known for its exceptional accuracy across multiple languages. It can handle various accents and background noise better than many commercial alternatives. It's fantastic for converting long-form audio into clean text, making it ideal for our purpose.
To use Whisper AI, you'll typically upload your audio file. The tool processes it and provides a text transcript. Many online interfaces offer a free tier, or a simple way to use it without needing to delve into code. Before, hours of manual transcription, or expensive services. After, minutes for a highly accurate text file, often for free.
Once you have the transcribed text, it's time to expand and refine it into a full-fledged blog post. This is where we leverage a powerful AI writing assistant. We'll use Perplexity AI for this, due to its ability to provide cited sources and generate comprehensive content.
Perplexity AI isn't just a chatbot. It's a conversational search engine that generates answers with sources. This is critical for creating factual, trustworthy blog content. You can feed it your transcribed text and ask it to expand on specific points, add context, or even structure the entire post.
Here's how to use it. Paste your Whisper AI transcript into Perplexity. Then, prompt it. For example, expand this text into a detailed blog post about your topic. Include an introduction, 3 to 4 main sections with subheadings, and a conclusion. Ensure it's informative and engaging. Cite your sources. Perplexity will generate a draft, complete with references, saving you significant research time.
The final step is crucial for getting your content discovered: SEO optimization. Even the best content won't get seen if it's not optimized. For this, we turn to Surfer SEO.
Surfer SEO is a content intelligence tool that analyzes top-ranking pages for your target keyword and tells you exactly what you need to include in your article to outrank them. It provides recommendations for keyword density, content length, headings, and more.
Take the blog post draft generated by Perplexity AI and paste it into Surfer SEO's content editor. Enter your target keyword, and Surfer will give you a real-time score and suggestions for improvement. This might include adding specific terms, adjusting heading structures, or extending certain sections. Before, guessing what Google wants. After, precise, data-driven optimization in minutes.
The combination of Whisper AI for transcription, Perplexity AI for content expansion and research, and Surfer SEO for optimization creates an incredibly efficient content workflow. You're leveraging AI at every stage to move from a raw idea to a polished, SEO-ready blog post faster than ever before.
This entire process, from a spoken idea to a publishable, optimized blog post, can be completed in under an hour. This is a game changer for solopreneurs, marketers, and anyone looking to dramatically increase their content output without sacrificing quality or SEO performance. It allows you to produce more content, more consistently, and reach a wider audience.
Whisper AI is your best free option for transcription, offering high accuracy. Perplexity AI stands out for its ability to generate well-researched content with sources, making it excellent for beginners and experienced writers alike. Surfer SEO is a paid tool, but its precise optimization guidance makes it invaluable for ranking.
Ready to transform your content creation? Start by recording your next big idea as a voice memo. Then, put these tools to the test. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can turn casual thoughts into professional, high-ranking blog posts.
To get started with Whisper AI, you have a few options. The easiest for beginners is to use an online interface that integrates Whisper. Search for Whisper AI Online Transcription or Free Whisper AI Transcriber. Many websites offer a simple upload button. Step 1. Visit one of these online Whisper AI transcription services. Step 2. Click the Upload Audio or Choose File button. Step 3. Select your recorded voice memo from your computer. Step 4. Choose the output language if prompted, usually English by default. Step 5. Click Transcribe or Convert. In a few moments, your audio will be converted into text, which you can then copy and paste. Some services might even allow you to download the transcript as a text file.
Now, let's dive deeper into using Perplexity AI to turn that transcript into a full article. Step 1. Go to perplexity.ai. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Step 2. In the main search bar, paste the entire transcript you got from Whisper AI. Step 3. Craft a detailed prompt. Instead of just write a blog post, try something like, based on the following transcript about your topic, e.g., side hustle ideas, generate a 1,000-word blog post. Include an engaging introduction, 3 distinct main sections with descriptive subheadings, and a strong conclusion. Ensure the tone is informative and encouraging. Please cite all sources you use. Step 4. Hit enter. Perplexity will then generate a well-structured article, complete with footnotes linking to its research, which you can click to verify.
Finally, let's get hands-on with Surfer SEO for optimization. Step 1. Log into your Surfer SEO account. If you're new, they offer a free trial. Step 2. Click on Content Editor in the dashboard. Step 3. Enter your primary target keyword, for example, best side hustle ideas for beginners. Surfer will analyze the top-ranking pages for that keyword. Step 4. Paste your Perplexity AI-generated article into Surfer's content editor. Step 5. On the right-hand side, you'll see a content scored and a list of recommendations. These include suggested keywords to add, ideal content length, number of headings, and more. Step 6. Start editing your article directly within Surfer, incorporating the suggested terms and adjusting your structure. Watch your content score improve in real time as you make changes. Aim for a score of 70 or higher for optimal performance.
If you found this workflow helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more breakdowns of the latest AI tools and productivity hacks. What other AI-powered workflows would you like to see? Let me know in the comments.